Hi, in this video we're going to have a quick look at how to do panoramics in Lightroom. So sometimes you get a shot like this where you've got two halves to it. You've got a sky and then a foreground. I've done this with a tilt shift lens, so I just shifted between the two and you get the two halves like that. In the old days you used to have to go into Photoshop and do the stitching together there, but these days in Lightroom, the latest version, CC if you've got it, if you just highlight both of them by selecting one and then pressing Control and then selecting the other one, then right click on there and go to Photo Merge. So up pop two options there. One is for when you've got a HDR bracket and the other one is for panoramics. So if we go to Panorama, it brings up this box. Now you get three options here. If you are using tilt shift lenses like I've been using, you can go away with perspective. Now if you've had to tilt the lens down and then tilt it up to get the lower portion and the upper portion, I'd go for cylindrical. The main thing is give it a go on either one of them, and it will tell you if it's not worked, and then you just try another one. I always use perspective if I'm using tilt shift, and if I've done I've spun the camera on a tripod head, I'll use cylindrical. Once you've got those settings done, you click merge and then Lightroom does its thing. Just give it a few seconds. You can see the progress bar up here. It's pretty quick these days since the latest release, and what you'll find, it pops up a blend. There we go, and then you can do your usual workflow on that. So I'd probably open the shadows up a little bit, maybe darken the sky, you know, just whatever you want to do. A bit of clarity, a bit warmer, a bit cooler. I think warm's good, it was a summer's evening. A bit more colour. And then the great thing about doing panoramics is you do have the option to crop however you like it, so you may want to do something like this. So you're just getting these lilies in the bottom and the diagonal line coming out of the corner. Then from the top there you can come across. So the viaduct's actually on the third there, or the golden section. Or if you wanted to, you could create a virtual copy and maybe, how about square crop? It's great for Instagram and square crops because that's what it's made for, really. There you go. How about a black and white version? Create virtual copy. You can go to black and white there, like that. And in black and white, you're free to then move these sliders around. If you want a darker sky, you make the blues darker, that kind of thing. So doing panoramics a lot easier than it used to be. Give it a go next time you're out. All you need to do is take a shot low down and a shot high up, and then just go into Lightroom and do what I've done. Or you can rotate on the spot with your camera handheld and get a panoramic that way. The technology's come a long way since you first started doing it years ago, so give it a go. Thanks a lot.